Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. And everything in nature invites us constantly to be what we are. What these words actually mean. In last couple of years, there has been a whole lot of questions running across my mind over and over again, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to figure out the answers within my comfort zone. So I decided to go out and start exploring other places and culture in order to find the answers to some of those questions. And while experiencing life like this, after wandering around for months, now I can feel that somewhere inside me there's a kind of magic has already begun.